So my dad, he has the hobby of filming. That is something that he's kind of taken up since we have been working on the house project. He has been using this old GoPro, and it was a family GoPro. Like, I want to say we probably got it back in like 2008, 2009 maybe. Like, I remember specifically in high school using this GoPro. So it's old. You can see by all the footage I've shared with you guys. And so I wanted to surprise him, and I got him a new camera, you know, like a 4K camera that he can film on, because he really enjoys that, where he was taking the GoPro out on his bike because he loves biking. And he always brought it here and filmed, and I wanted him to have a nicer camera for all his filming. And so when we were working on the concrete, he filmed a ton. And unfortunately, it didn't really make my video just because I filmed a ton too. And so I wanted to show you guys all the footage that he did while they were pouring the concrete. And I also think it's kind of cool because it shows a little behind the scenes of what Nick and I are doing a little bit while we're filming. I just think it's cool having a different perspective, because you guys always see us working on the home from my perspective, that you can see my dad's perspective. So this week I put together a little video of all the footage that he filmed. I didn't film anything, this is all his footage, and you get a little different perspective this week on the concrete pour. I hope you guys like it.
Here we go. There it is there, a nice finish there. Yeah, this is not something for amateurs. You gotta know what the hell you're doing. Hey Nick, so far so good. Wow. There they all too, filmmakers. There we go again. Try and get you as much footage as I can here.
Yeah.
You want lots, right?
Yeah.
Posted about 6 times on Instagram. See if I get anybody. There's people I think from your channel starting to. There's 6 or 8 of them, anyways.
Hey, come grab the hose, all right? Come grab the hose. Let me just get that screw out of your way. A small hurdle. It's pretty open, you know? Most shops, it's going to go around. All right. This way.
Getting close. Hey? Sure, Chatty's up. Makes the yard look amazing. Those stairs look, I'm really happy with those stairs.
You like the stairs?
Yeah. Really takes it to a different level.
It does.
And they're all cleaning up here.
Tough to see. You want to move it? It's okay. Put it back down? No, put it back down. Put it back down. Come right over top there.
Well, you definitely slope in. It's kind of nice, Nick. It worked.
2 inches, you get, 2% grade.
I see what you're doing.
It's somewhere on the rock.
Doesn't really narrow it down when it's all rocks. The boys are just finishing work. It looks amazing.
That one's a lot straighter.
Sounds bad.
Cool.
We'll have to do some magic when we put the lights in.
Yes, but you can see, yeah, a little bit of honeycombing here. Nothing you can do.
Yeah.
That's when the guys come afterwards and they finish it up, they clean it up nicely.
Oh, they do come after?
They do come after
Okay.
and clean it up,
Cool.
yeah.
Looking good.
It is soaking up.